So okay, we will try it with a guitar. So natay square na guitar na karaan na. And then amp na. I think 22 watts or basta hinay ni siya. Pero okay lang. Okay, let's turn that on. Let's put our effects there. And some cables. Okay. Saksak. Ito sa box. Okay. Padulong sa sobra. And then guitar towards the okay. So mag-tune sa ta. So if you want to tune the guitar, I believe na sabayo ni. Ayun. Wala na siya tuner. There's a tuner. Excuse me, cable. Again. So you have to press this together. Ayun, tuner. So let's tune. How to tune ang guitar. So let's try the worship patch. So, if you want this sound, magamit siya sa church. Sa neck. Swells, if you want swells, you can also use the expression pedal like this. Okay, so volume and pwede po siya wah if you want wah. Tapos dito sa ambient, pwede po siya ambient. Volume pedal. So, ang difference lang nila kay more delay siya sa ambient. Okay, let's try another patch. Itong gain daw. Try na ko ng gain. Sa bridge pickup. Pwede rin mo siya like butang sustain if you want sa iyahang mga parameters. Ako pa wala kaya na ako gina-sustain kay kusog kaayo ang reverb sa church.